children, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to continue our previous chapter, and the chapter name is Reach for the Top. In the last class I taught you up to paragraph number 6, and today we shall continue from paragraph number 7. So at first I am going to read the paragraph. After that I shall tell you difficult words along with their meaning, and then at last I'll give you explanation. Okay, so you are requested to keep one pencil along with you, and you must have what? Textbook with you also, so that you could underline the important points, the lines and the difficult words also. So thereafter Santosh went on an expedition every year. Her climbing skill matured rapidly. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and the altitude. Equipped with an iron will, physical endurance and amazing mental toughness, she proved herself repeatedly. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992. Just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them at barely 20 years of age. Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. In her climbing skill, physical fitness and mental strength impressed her seniors. Her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the heart of fellow climbers. So you know very well, practice. Practice makes the man perfect. So after enrolling herself in that mountaineering institute, she started working hard day and night, and finally, because of the training, because of the practice again and again, the practice made her very much perfect, and that is why she developed so many skills. Whatever skills were required to climb on the mountain, she developed everything, and just at very early age, after just taking admission, it was just 4 years of joining her institute for taking training. That time, her age was only 20 years. At the age of only 20 years in 1992, the hard work gave her the fruit of success, and she got success in climbing on the mountain in 1992. So there was hard work. It was not easy for her to develop the skill. But because of the continuously hard work, she just developed all the skills, whatever was required to climb, to start the journey. And that is why finally she asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them, and finally Santosh Yadav, the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat, finally she got success, and at very early age she was the first youngest woman who climbed at the top of the Mount Everest. So it was her firm determination and the hard work and the practice that made her success, and because of her climbing skill, physical fitness and mental strength impressed her senior. Even her seniors were also very much impressed with the skills developed by Santosh Yadav, and that is why she became very much, famous and popular among her seniors, because she had proved that nothing is impossible if you are ready to do hard work, and if you do the practice continuously, then definitely one day will come when you will at the top. And similarly here, finally Santosh Yadav reached at the top just after working hard 4 years. So, my dear student, this was all about the explanation up to paragraph number 7. Now, let's move ahead towards the 8th paragraph. One more thing I would like to share here. The important and the difficult words for you in this paragraph is what? Expedition. What is the meaning of this word? Its meaning is what? To organize or organize journey for climbing. Okay. So, it was also a very important part of her journey. Endurance means what? Tolerance. Like, she developed so much skills so that she could tolerate any environment, any climate, whether it is very cold climate or whatsoever. That means she made herself physically strong, mentally strong. From every skill, she was perfect, and there was hard work, of course, behind this all success and the skills. Now here we what? The action that makes the skills. Fine. Now let's move ahead towards the paragraph number 8. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav proved special care to a climber who lay dying at South Pole. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. However, she managed to save another climber, Mohan Singh. She would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. So what happened in 1992? She did also. When she was at the mission of Everest mission. When she was at her mission, and what was the mission? It was Mission Everest. So Santosh Yadav, she was very much kind-hearted also, and she knew how to help, because it is the human tendency, or we can say the quality of the good citizen or the quality of the human being is what? When you see any person in the trouble, we must come forward to help the person. So similarly, when she was on her mission to climb on the Everest, she found one person was very much needy, and she tried her best to save the life of the mountaineer, but she couldn't help that person. But she was able to save one more person when she shared. Finally, she decided to share her oxygen cylinder to a person whose name was Mohan Singh. Because she had developed so many skills, she could survive also after sharing her, oxygen with the Mohan Singh. So yes, of course, she could not save the life of two persons, but at least because of her developed skill, she became able to save the life of one more, another mountaineers. And what was the name of that person whose life was saved? Because of Santosh Yadav, because she shared her own oxygen with Mohan Singh. So in this way, we can say that she was not only hardworking, she was not having only the iron heart, but she was also very much kind-hearted girl, because she helped one person and she saved the life of Mohan Singh. Let's move ahead towards the next para. Within 12 months, Santosh found herself member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition that invited her to join them. She then scaled the Everest a second time, thus setting record as the only woman to have scaled the Mount Everest twice and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of the mountaineering. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honor, the Padma Shri. So finally, she became very much famous when she became the first youngest woman to climb the Everest. So second time she that means she became very much famous all over the world. So she started getting invitations from the different countries, in which second time she was invited by Indo-Nepalese women to join them, and finally she joined their group also, and second time also she was successful, and she scaled the mountains second time again, and she became very much famous all over the world. Especially it was the pride moment for the Indian government, and that is why the Indian government decided to give her honor, decided to honor her with the as a very prestigious honor. What was that? The Padma Shri. So she was awarded by the Indian government with Padma Shri. Now let's move ahead towards the paragraph number 10. Describing her feelings when she was literally on top of the world, Santosh had said, "It took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in. Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and held aloft on the roof of the world. The feeling is indescribable. The Indian flag was flying on the top of the world. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian. Also a fervent environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas, In this way, she just continued her good deeds, and she got success second time also. And one more thing, she was feeling very much proud because she is the woman who made this India very much proud, and because of her effort, we also felt proud. The entire nation felt very much proud because of this Santosh Yadav, and she was also very much concerned about the environment also. So when she went to the Himalayas, she collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. That means she was very much concerned for the environment. So she did not only climb on the mountain twice, she did not only, scale the Mount Everest twice. She did not only save the life of Mohan Singh, but she also brought garbage. And how much it was the garbage? It was the 500 kilogram, which was not very much easy. So she brought 500 kilogram garbage from the Himalayas. In this way, she proved herself that she was a blessing, not a curse. So my dear student, after reading this chapter, you can understand nothing is possible until and unless unless you have a strong willpower. Nobody is there who can stop you. That means, in short, we can say that if you are strong, if you have a strong willpower, and if you are hardworking, then definitely nobody can stop you from getting success. Okay, so this was all about today's class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.